Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different New Year's Eve looks, I pulled out my Danessa Myricks Lightwork V and my MothershipIII from McGrath, also known as Subversive. If you want to see how I did these two different looks and get inspired, hopefully, then hang in there and I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some colorful, festive New Year's Eve looks, shall we? The first look is going to be the darkest. So with my flat definer, I am going to start the look by putting on a highlighter under my brows here. Now for some drama. With the same brush, the flat definer, I am going to put on some black shadow here in the outer corner. And so far I'm just putting it on my mobile eyelid. Gonna use a little bit more black, same brush, and primarily on the outer part here. So that is gonna be the darkest of the look, and then I'm just tapping the rest here. On top of that, I'm gonna put a gunmetal with the same brush. Oh, I didn't get so much on the brush. I'm gonna dip in again. Dipped into the same color with the same brush, and gonna put that here on the border and a little bit more inward into the middle of the eye. Because I've fallen in love with the Fetish Eyes Longwear liquid eyeshadow, of course I'm going to use that. So I'm taking the green here and I'm just going to dab it on, press it on here a little bit. Oh, I got a little bit too little. We can use a little bit more. I'm just going to use that here. Mix it into the gunmetal. And now for some real sparkles. The Danessa Myricks green. I'm gonna check what it's called because I don't remember. Let me check. It's called Evolving, and that's what this look is going to. It's going to be evolving right here before your eyes. So I'm gonna put a little bit more, and I'm gonna put that on top of the green Fetish Eyes to really amp up this green part. Dipped into a suede shimmer from the Danessa Myricks palette, and this time it's the Enough. So I'm actually going to use that up here. Yes, I am well aware it's a shimmering shade, it's a metallic kind of shade, but you can use them up here and blend them out as a normal matte color. You can do that. Just look how it's going to turn out. And I'm using my Blender Pro from Sonia G. I'm just blending it out and upwards a little bit. It is a New Year's Eve look after all, so we can amp it up. It's not an actual office makeup look, this one. Well, for me it's not. Don't know about you. Dip into the black shade from McGrath palette, from the McGrath palette. I'm just gonna use that here with my mini booster on the outer part here to darken it up a little bit. Dipped into the black shadow with my flat definer again, and this time I'm gonna make an eyeliner here under the eyes. Can try and remember to keep my head up and not bend down so you can't see what I'm doing. I just dipped the tip of my brush into the black. Now going in with the gunmetal. Mixing it in with the black. A little bit of Cosmic Chartreuse with my reference number 3. And this is a liquid eyeshadow from McGrath. They are really lovely and long lasting. I can't believe that a lot of people are not talking about this, because it's amazing. I love it. Thank you, Mother Pat, for creating such an awesome product. Another one. And that too, of course, is going to need some evolving from Danessa Myricks. That's the shimmery shade on top here. Ooh, that's so pretty. As an inner corner highlight, I'm dipping into the silvery a kind of shade from Danessa Myricks palette. Lightwork V. Of course, I'm going to give this look an eyeliner. So here we go. Black fluid liquid eyeliner from McGrath. Like so. I'm gonna give this look an eyeliner also in the waterline, and I'm gonna use their Extreme Black from McGrath. I'm also gonna put that on the upper part here. Always try to look somewhere where the pencil is not, because if you stare directly to the pencil, you will blink and mess up the makeup. I dipped the tip of my Builder Pro into the enough shade, the green shade, and I'm just going to put that here under the black to make the border a little less harsh. Like so. Here you see how the look turned out with a little bit of mascara on. I think it turned out quite well, but I'm gonna put on some false lashes. Back with some lashes, and this is what it looks like. I'm now gonna go on to the next eye. Dipped into the Invincible shade, the silvery shade from Danessa Myricks, and I am very gently gonna put that here under my brow bone and use that as a highlighter. And I just put on a tiny bit because it can be super concentrated. But if you just put on a tiny bit and work with it, you get these lovely sparkles here. Dipped into the beautiful Unbreakable from Danessa Myricks with my Builder Pro, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner here. Such a lovely shade. And then I'm gonna put it a little bit into the crease. I'm just dipping or pressing the rest of what's on the brush into the crease. We can use a little bit more of that color in the outer corner here. Let's just amp it up a little bit because it is, like I said before, a very beautiful shade. I am very gently building it upwards here, and still like before with the rest that's on my brush, so it's not too heavy and too powerful. I'm going to put on a little bit of the intensifiers here on the rest of the mobile eyelid that has yet to get some eyeshadow on it. I am radiant. Radiant is the name of the next shadow, and as you can see, it's a golden peachy kind of color that turns into green, and it also has some pink in it, so it really matches up super nice with the other color, with the previous color. On the inner corner, I'm going to put some Unbreakable. That's the same color that's on the outer corner. I'm going to put it on with my flat definer brush. I'm going to mix it into the other color. So we're going to have some kind of halo eye. Dip my reference number 3 into the Unbreakable. And just a tip, because I don't want this all over the place. Same color, same brush in the inner corner of my lower lash line. And for the middle part, of course, I'm going to put the Radiant. And mix that into the Unbreakable, like above. On my waterline, I'm going to put a red, fiery kind of color from Kiko Milano. This is an eyeshadow stick. This is a long-lasting eyeshadow stick. But they work pretty well on my waterline. So that's what I'm going to do here, because I don't really have an eyeliner in this color. I feel like this look can also use an eyeliner, so I'm going to give it a black eyeliner like the other eye. And it's just the Pat McGrath Labs liquid eyeliner in black. Oh, that was not good. Well, I'm going to fix that. With a little bit of water and then the eyeshadow on top. The small mistake is going to be gone, gone, gone. Mistake? What mistake? A little bit of Invincible as a highlighter on the inner corner as well, just a tiny bit. Back with some mascara on, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to give this look some false lashes. And this is what it looks like with false lashes on. If you want to amp up the look and make it a little bit more festive, sure, why not? Dip into a VR shade and just put it here where the other shadow ends. Gently. I just very, very gently dipped into that, because or else it can be kind of overtaking the whole look. Now, I'm gonna go off cam and do a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. This is it. These are the two different New Year's Eve or festive looks. Call it whatever you want. I'm now going to put on some glasses so you can see what it looks like with my glasses on. On my face, I have on the Pat McGrath Foundation Light Medium 8. On my cheeks, I put on a little bit of Nude Honey bronzer to bronze up the look a little bit. And I also used the Nymphette blush from Pat McGrath Labs. And on top of that, I used a little bit of the two colors from the highlighting trio, the golden and the pinkish colors. They are by far my favorite highlighters. On my lips, I put on the Suburbia as a lip liner, and also the Nude Romantique 2 lipstick. For some, that is a little bit boring when you have so much going on the eyes and it's a festive look, but I'm still feeling like if you have so much going on your eyes, it's good to keep your focus there. If I would have made a more naked nude eye look, I would definitely have given the power to the lips. But for this, for me, I'm fine with that. But you can, of course, spice it up a little bit, like always. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you have an opulust or if you have a glitter or some kind, you can just put that on. And that will change the look and make it a little bit more festive. I did not go all black with the looks, although I'm wearing black, but I'm thinking when I'm wearing black, like a lot of people are when they are going to a New Year's Eve party, you can choose any color you want on the eyes because you don't have to think about it has to match with the dress or whatever. So I just wanted to make something colorful and not just black and silver, black and gold, or smoky eye or something like that. So this is my idea of two festive looks. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you have, if you like videos like this, then I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel. It will be so awesome to have you join. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. And I hope to see you again soon, maybe. I'm gonna wish you a lovely day and a happy new year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.